In this episode of Gav Details, we are going to be doing an update on the Bead Maker. You can still see the vehicle has good shine and gloss reflections on the hood, but it did go through winter. I believe this was applied in December. It is now the beginning of May, so we're looking at 4 to 5 months of the Midwest winter. The owner has washed the vehicle 8 to 10 times throughout the winter, most of the time being hand washed with Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink. The vehicle is garaged, so we are going to do a spray and pour test on the quarter panel and on the hood. So as you can see, the beads are not tight. The water does run down the quarter panel, but you can see here it does just stay on the panel. So we'll try a pour test. And if it doesn't look like anything's beading, that would be because it's not. You can see a little bit of water separation here, so the water is very slowly sheeting. So we would call the protection pretty much done with on the quarter panel. We'll check the hood next. So here again on the hood, again, the beads are not very tight and the water is just sitting on the surface. So if you concentrate the water, you can see it kind of pools and then separates and runs down. So we'll try a pour test. And as you can see, it's taking a very long time for the water to separate and sheet off. So other videos have said that the Bead Maker is probably going to last you up to 2 months. So it's a spray sealant. It's easy on, easy off. You can use it as a drying aid, so you'd be applying it after each wash, which should help further the durability. So for a quick update on Gav Details, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding the Bead Maker as a standalone sealant, leave it in the comments below, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.